Hello, Peter checking in again. This is the meditation and science series. What we're looking at today, we're looking at, can meditation help with anxiety and depression? Yes, it certainly can. A 2014 study from the Johns Hopkins Medicine found that 30 minutes of meditation daily could improve symptoms of anxiety as well as depression. The findings were published in the online journal JAMA Internal Medicine. So with my personal experience of depression, well, my story was quite horrific actually. When I was younger, growing up, lots and lots of trauma, which people were saying I was depressed. So I didn't feel I was depressed. I felt like I was just repressed. I was like compressed. I didn't want to get involved with the world because it was thinking, this is crazy, this place. Meditation and mindfulness has helped me realize, actually, I want to enjoy this. Even though I think this is all crazy around me, I still want to enjoy my life. So meditation and mindfulness have helped me get out of that, becoming not depressed anymore, as it were, but more involved with life and trying to get other people involved with life so that they can be more vibrant and happy, which is what it's all about at the end of the day. And we can all do that. And meditation and mindfulness will bring you there. And I'm a Qigong instructor, which was also a great way for me to deal with my anxiety. And you can find free Qigong classes on this YouTube channel. But also I've created a 20-minute webinar training session that you can experience of the 5 meditation techniques that I actually teach as a coach. And it's the 5 pillars of transformation, where you go through 5 different aha moments through those 5 pillars, and you can see where you come out at the end of it, which is a pretty amazing place, I must say, because you really do see the world in a completely different way. And I want that for more and more human beings as we raise the vibration of the planet, raise the vibration of ourselves, open up our minds, broaden our consciousness into what we could do, what we can achieve, and where we can go, as opposed to where we're going now, which is not a very good place. We can do that. We can do that together. If you fancy it, just try it. Click the link, try the webinar. If you want to go further with me, you can book a call with me, and I'd love to hear from you. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Sarang Hamida.